This is Next Generation Learning by Colleen Hall. I chose to do slides about blended learning for the next generation. Blended learning is a strategy of learning that integrates technology and digital media with traditional classroom activities. This is great for customizing learning experience, provides flexibility for the learner. In-person and online elements work together to create a well-rounded learning experience. Issues of blending learning: tools and resources may be unreliable and the internet accessibility may not be available to students. Difficulty for educators to manage an online setting could also be prevalent. Yes, these issues may be present, but can be addressed by districts providing buildings with internet access. We are seeing this more and more. And providing students with online content pre-chosen with pre-approved websites and content that is chosen by the teacher. Trends of blended learning are videos. Teachers can record their lessons or students can record presentations. On-the-go learning. Students can access classroom learning tools from their Chromebooks, tablets, or their phones even. Blended learning teaching strategies. Flipped classroom is a great one. This is where students are introduced to content at home and then practice working through it at school. Project-based learning allows for independence or collaboration with peers. Students can create a working document of Google Slides, for example, to share with their peers. Flex blended learning. Teachers teach the content within the walls of the classroom. Then students complete an online homework assignment. Playlists. These are big in classrooms. My own daughter has a working playlist that she receives on Monday that she has the week to do. It lists duties, activities, or assignments that incorporate online assessments and research online that the students need to do. Web-based tools for learning. Kahoot is a great one. This is an online quiz-type game that teachers can create for any subject or content area to check for comprehension. Typing Club is a web-based typing practice for students. Khan Academy or Dreambox. These are two online math assignment websites or apps that check for comprehension. And Kami. This is an app that allows students to type directly onto uploaded worksheets. Summary of blended learning. Allows for learning flexibility with the use of technology and digital media, teacher-led instruction. This allows for customization of learning experiences and differentiation of learning. Allows for students to learn how to navigate online learning tools. Students have the capability of creating working documents to share with collaboration, partners, or groups of peers. Apps allow for students to type on worksheets and submit to teachers, which lessens the use of paper and copier ink. These are the references that I used for this project of blended learning. Thank you.